Shepard Smith at CNBC Global Headquarters. We interrupt regular programming to announce that oil
This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. This station has interrupted their normal programming to participate in the emergency alert system. This is not a test. The U.S. government has issued a civil emergency message effective nationwide. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The United States Geological Survey, in conjunction with NASA and leading scientific institutions, has determined that the Moon, through mysterious and unprecedented circumstances, has been knocked from its orbit and is now hurtling towards Earth on a collision course. Based on extensive scientific analysis and calculations, we estimate that the Moon will impact Earth within the next 48 hours. The magnitude of this collision is predicted to cause irreversible damage to our planet, leading to widespread destruction and the loss of countless lives. Our observations indicate that the Moon's trajectory has been significantly altered, indicating a rapid decrease in distance from our planet. This drastic change in orbital dynamics is outside the realm of any natural occurrence we have previously encountered. Our teams are working tirelessly to gather more data and explore potential causes and solutions. While the outcome appears dire, it is crucial that we maintain composure and follow the guidelines provided by authorities. The following scientific estimates have been determined to the best of our knowledge. The estimated impact zone encompasses a large portion of Earth's surface, posing a global threat. The exact location and extent of the impact cannot be precisely determined due to the complexity of celestial mechanics and uncertainties surrounding the event. The collision between the Moon and Earth will generate an immense release of energy, causing unprecedented seismic activity, tsunamis, and extreme atmospheric disturbances. These effects will be felt globally, leading to the destruction of infrastructure, widespread fires, and the loss of essential services. Given the magnitude of the impending catastrophe, it is vital to acknowledge the severity of the situation. Regrettably, the projected outcome suggests that the survival rate of the human population is extremely low. However, we encourage you to remain hopeful and take necessary precautions for your safety and that of your loved ones. In the face of this unimaginable crisis, the U.S. government, along with global agencies and scientific experts, is actively working to assess potential solutions. Every available resource and expertise are being mobilized to explore last-minute interventions that may alter the Moon's trajectory or mitigate the impact's severity. During these critical hours, we urge you to gather supplies, stock up on essential supplies, including non-perishable food, water, medication, first aid kits, batteries, flashlights, and any necessary items for survival. Stay informed. Regularly tune into official broadcasts and emergency channels for updates, instructions, and vital information. Avoid spreading unverified information on social media platforms. Maintain communication. Keep your communication devices charged and stay in contact with your loved ones, sharing information about your location and safety measures taken. Support each other. In this time of crisis, let us come together as a community, supporting and assisting one another. Show empathy, kindness, and resilience in the face of adversity. Although the situation is dire, let us remain united, courageous, and prepared for any potential breakthrough that could alter this catastrophic course. We understand the fear and uncertainty you may be experiencing, but we urge you to remain calm, follow official instructions, and support one another in this time of crisis. Earthquake,
Earthquake.
together as a
Moderate
nation,
shaking
drawing
expected
upon
in
our strength,
31
ingenuity,
seconds.
and the unbreakable spirit that defines us as Americans.
Earthquake. Moderate shaking expected in 22 seconds. Earthquake. Moderate shaking expected in 12 seconds. Earthquake. Moderate shaking expected in 3 seconds.
This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. This is not a test. The U.S. government has issued a shelter-in-place warning effective nationwide. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. We have received critical information from NASA that presents a severe threat to our planet. NASA has detected that the moon is shedding millions of tons of rocks, transforming them into meteors hurtling towards our planet. As the moon descends, it is shedding millions of tons of rocks, which are transforming into meteors entering Earth's atmosphere. These meteors pose an immediate threat to human life and infrastructure, as they can cause devastating impacts upon collision with the Earth's surface. It is highly recommended that you seek shelter now. I repeat, seek shelter now. Find a secure, underground location away from windows and exterior walls. Take necessary supplies, including food, water, medical necessities, and communication devices to sustain yourselves during this critical period. In light of these unprecedented circumstances, martial law has been declared across the continental United States. The implementation of martial law is a necessary step to ensure public safety, efficient allocation of resources, and coordinated response efforts. The combined impact of the moon's collision and the meteoric showers would result in catastrophic consequences. Widespread destruction, including severe structural damage, fires, and loss of life, is anticipated. The aftermath will also lead to significant atmospheric disturbances, causing extreme weather patterns, including powerful storms, heavy rainfall, and potential flash flooding. Stay tuned to official emergency broadcast systems, news outlets, and local authorities for continuous updates and instructions. These channels will provide vital information, including evacuation routes, safe zones, and rescue efforts. Avoid spreading unverified information and rely solely on trusted sources. Emergency response teams are mobilizing to provide assistance, rescue operations, and medical aid. Follow the instructions of emergency personnel and cooperate fully to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Remember, this is an unprecedented and rapidly evolving situation. The collective efforts of our communities are crucial for our survival. Stay calm, support one another, and remain vigilant. Our resilience will be tested, but together, we can overcome this extraordinary challenge.